If you need to cancel a pending transfer on LendingTree, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your LendingTree account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Once logged in, locate the section for transfers or transactions. This is typically found in your account dashboard or under a specific tab labeled transfers or transactions. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Cancel option. After selecting the pending transfer, look for an option to cancel. This may be a button or link labeled Cancel Transfer or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. Review any information provided and confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any notifications or confirmation messages indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transfer on LendingTree. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.